Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Imtiaz and this is the 5% Club. This is another market analysis video, so let's get right into it. So let's start from Nifty. Guys, we had an amazing profit today because Nifty literally, you see we marked these levels, all levels yesterday, and today what happened, market did not gap down, but what happened, it opened and immediately started becoming negative. Okay, so it opened around here. Okay, it opened around here and then it started becoming negative. Once it came here, okay, I was waiting for a retest, but the retest did not happen. It was going down, then I entered in this pullback. Okay, so this was my risk to reward ratio. Okay, this was my risk to reward ratio and this was an amazing trade. I'm still holding it and I'm expecting the market to be open gap down tomorrow because of the negative scenario what is going on in the market. Does this mean the market has become negative? Kind of. The market is actually negative now. Okay, so if you see, there's a trend line here which broke. This was a good support which broke today. There is a lot of things going on in market now. So I have squared off all my swing trading position as of now. It's simply because most of them were few of them hit my trailing stop losses and few of them hit my target point. That's it. Okay, so next, what is my action? I'm not at all bullish on the market for now, but tomorrow I'm expecting it to pause. That is, I'm expecting market to spend some time here. I'm expecting a sideways market tomorrow, or if it comes below 19,220, I might short it again. Okay, if it comes under 19,220, I will definitely short it again. Right now we are holding this. If it goes sideways, I might square it off. So let's see how the market performs tomorrow. Next is Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, we were holding it and today at the same time it came down easily. I was holding the trade from here. It has given me a very good profit as of now. Okay, so again, let me just analyze this once on daily time frame. Daily time frame, I don't see any great support now. So that is 42,615 might be a good support. Next good support, that is okay, 42,740 might be a good support next. But the market is already here, so I'm expecting a pause now. You see how market performs. It comes from up to down, one good move, and then it pauses, 1-2 candle. It comes down, it will pause. Okay, in this pause phase, don't take a lot of losses. Take 1-2 trades, more than enough. If you're getting profit, it's well and good. If the market is not moving anywhere, it's not moving anywhere. Okay, so keep that in mind. Next is US oil. US oil, I was expecting it to be bullish today, but what happened? I'll clearly explain you guys. What happened? It came to this level. Okay, I entered in this position. Okay, I entered here exactly. This was my stop loss. This was my target, but it went up and it broke down again. It broke down. Now it is taking a support here. So what is my next action? I would have bought only here, but I bought here because this is a trend line in 1 hour time frame. That is the only reason I bought. It's fine. I should have thought this has been tested. This is the third time. Okay, this is the third time it's testing it, so I expected it to go up, and from here I was expecting to short it. What happened? It came down from here. It's totally fine. Now has it turned negative? No, it's not negative yet until and unless this level, that is $84.70 is not broken. It is not negative, at least according to me. So only if all these levels are taken down, I can expect it to short it. This is just a phase, a sideways phase. Okay, this is just a sideways phase, because if you see, market was down, then it was sideways, down, up, down. This is what is happening. It's slowly trying to go up. If it has to come down, I'll short it post 84.35. Okay, $84.34, I'll short it. So this is my view on US oil, that is crude oil. So that's it for today's market analysis videos, guys. I don't have any swing trading for now until the market is stable. I'm not getting into any kind of swing trading to lose money. So tomorrow I'll be uploading a learning series video. Please watch that, and please watch my crude oil video too. That is also very informative. Thank you so much. If you like my content, please like, share and subscribe. It will be appreciated. Take care. Bye.